Hi, my name's Noah Knightlick. I built $120 million in investment banking deals, and today I'm going to teach you how to build another slide in episode 4 of Building the Confidential Information Memorandum. If you like this content, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, if you're interested in getting an investment banking job, we offer a free 3-day investment banking course that I encourage you to join. The link is in the description. So let's get started. First, like always, we're going to go to Slide Master View. But today's goal is to build the breaker sections of the Confidential Information Memorandum, because in a Confidential Information Memorandum, or CIM, you're introducing different sections throughout. So that means you as a student needs to build these slides as well. So instead of going to the top today, we just want to go to a blank layout. That's because we don't want to affect the whole CIM. We just want to build a template for this type of slide. So first I'm going to delete the date, footer, and page number. And then we're going to get started by inserting 2 diamonds. I'm going to take these 2 diamonds and we're going to do a dimension of 4 by 4. I'm going to copy this, paste this diamond over there, and leave it there for now. I'm going to place this diamond on the left third of the CIM. From there, I'm going to go to Slide Master, Insert Placeholder, and we're going to insert a picture placeholder. I'm going to take this placeholder, right click, and send to back. We're going to cut this placeholder into the diamond, but you will always want to click the picture first and then the diamond, and then click intersect. If you do it the other way around, the diamond is going to be cut to the shape of the picture. Now that we have a diamond inserted picture, we're going to take this diamond here and place it over top this picture. So I'm going to right click, format shape, and I'm going to check the positioning of this picture here. We have 0.81 by 1.75. So I'm going to set that to 0.81 and then 1.75. Now that our diamond is set over our picture insert, I'm going to right click, send to back, and then I'm going to right click again. I'm going to go to format shape, and then we're going to go to line and set the width of the line to 7. I'm going to exit out, and then I'm going to make the fill, no fill, and then I'm going to make the shape format outline to this dark blue. Next, I'm going to do the background. We're going to take these 2 shapes here. This small rectangle, and I'm just going to insert it onto this third of the slide. I'm going to send it to back. I'm going to make it have no outline, and we'll set this to a light gray, barely visible. I'm going to copy and paste it, and then I'm going to expand it to the rest of the slide. We're also going to send this to the back, and then from there, I'm going to do a light blue shape fill. So now we have our slide background. Next, I'm going to insert another placeholder. We're going to insert a text box right next to the diamond. I'm going to delete all of this, and then we're going to get rid of our bullets. And then we're going to set our fonts to Sago UI. You can customize fonts here. I already have Sago UI fonts customized. I'm going to go to Home, Center, and then bring down. I'm going to set the font to 72. We're going to make bold, and then we're going to do this dark blue. And then we're going to make sure we're on Sago UI heading. We're going to insert 2 hashtags. That's going to signify the number of the section we're in the Confidential Information Memorandum. And then I'm going to squeeze these 2 hashtags together. I'm going to take another text box here by clicking Control-C, Control-V, and then placing it right to the right. I'm going to expand it slightly. We're going to call this one Title. And then we're going to make this font 40. From there, I'm going to left center, and then I'm going to make sure this is on heading as well. So this is where we insert our section, and this is where we insert the section number. So now we have our slide. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to go to Slide Master, Close Master View, and you can see our title slide's not affected. But let's insert a new slide, change the layout to our template we set, and you can see we now have this template for every single slide section break in the confidential information memorandum. Let's insert a picture by just clicking this link, and I'm going to do stock images, but you can take them from the computer. I'll just insert any picture. Once the picture is inserted, you can see it's already cropped and formatted, and we have our outline around the picture. We can set our section number, and then we can set our title. Now we have a slide that we can copy and use throughout the confidential information memorandum, so you don't have to keep formatting the background, formatting pictures, and formatting your titles. So, as we add executive narrative content, you'll do the same thing. You'll insert another slide, and you can see you have the exact same formatting. We can insert another stock image, and then we can do 02 and our new title. That's a really easy way to keep a template in the confidential information memorandum for this type of slide. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe and like the video. And remember, we have that free 3-day investment banking course taught by an investment banking analyst on how to build the confidential information memorandum and run through the investment banking process like an analyst so you can land an investment banking internship and full-time role. If you're interested, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.